In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Play in Google Workspace, a process that should take you about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new account or enabling additional features for your team, this guide will ensure you get Google Play up and running smoothly. First, you need to navigate to Google Workspace. You'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Google Workspace homepage. Once you're there, your next step is to click on the Admin Console. This is the dashboard where you will manage all of your organization's Google Workspace settings. After that, you'll need to log in using your business email credentials. Make sure you enter the correct details and click Next to proceed. It's important to use an administrator account because you'll need admin access to make these changes. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on that menu. Once it opens, locate the admin icon, which is represented by a small gear or shield, depending on the version you're using. Clicking this icon will take you to the admin management area. Now you're in the admin section, it's time to click on Apps. This section is where you manage all the applications available to your organization through Google Workspace. In the Apps section, you'll want to select additional Google services. This is where all the non-core services like Google Play live. In the next step, you'll find Google Play listed among these additional services. Click on Google Play to open its settings. You will see an option labeled Service Status. What you need to do next is turn on this service. Doing so enables Google Play for your organization, allowing you and your team to access it through Google Workspace. Finally, make sure you click on Save to apply these changes. It's a crucial step because if you forget to save, none of the adjustments you've made will take effect, and you'll have to start over. And that's it, you've successfully enabled Google Play in Google Workspace. By following these steps, you ensure one more tool is available to boost productivity and collaboration within your organization. Remember, having these services available through a single platform makes managing workflows much more straightforward. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to your system admin for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing your workspace experience.